Hey gang, Judson Bobo here with Everything Billiards Spas. Today we're in Davidson, North Carolina. Just finished up a Northstar Indoor 5x7 sauna with my friend Jeffrey, who is now the cameraman. He's our lead installer, does a great job, and just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce you to the Northstar Indoor 5x7. These units are made in Cokato, Minnesota. It's a small batch workshop setup. So each one is built to order, and they're super robust, very sturdy, just beefy units. The 5x7 is 7 feet wide, 5 feet deep, which the 7-foot width is enough to get you 2 windows in addition to the door. All are bronzed glass, so it's a little bit smoky for small measure of privacy. You also get a return bench on the side. It's an L bench, so you've got your benches along the back, upper and lower, and then there's an upper bench on the side, which is useful if you've got more people sitting in there and want more capacity, or if you, like I do, like to put your legs up sometimes, just for a change of position in the sauna. You've got the heater over here. It's a 6 kilowatt designer heater with the SL2 control. The SL2 control is fully programmable. For instance, I like to work out in the morning. Looks like this customer likes to work out here too. Sauna is a great thing to have in your home gym. But you can set this to come on at 4 a.m. every morning, so when you're ready to use it, it's hot and ready. I do recommend that you let your sauna heat up for an hour, even if the temperature gauge says it's heated up before then. It's better, it gives you a better sauna if you allow for the wood in the sauna to absorb that heat so that it can radiate it back at you from every direction. It does come with a duck board on the floor so that you don't slip when you get all sweaty and step down. The lights are color changing and dimmable. Got several different colors to create different moods in there. It comes standard with the backrest lighting, which is what's shown here. I'm a big fan of that. Things to keep in mind logistically if you're putting a sauna in your home gym or garage, as this is the instance, is we do need about 4 inches on the back of the sauna so that the sauna can breathe and the air can circulate. And really the only thing missing in this incredibly neat garage, slightly jealous, is I think this would be the perfect spot for a cold plunge. Cold plunge and sauna together are my favorite thing to do. So maybe next time we're out at this particular customer's house, we'll be installing a cold plunge for them there. Thanks for your time, and come check us out in Charlotte, Huntersville, Greensboro, and Winston-Salem for all your sauna needs. Everything Billiards and Spas. Bobo out.